Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix packet loss error in your Apex Legends. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So if you face the packet loss problems on Apex Legends and are unable to have smooth display, you can go ahead and try the following solutions. So first, if is to check the game's server. So if the game server is down, you won't be able to connect to it, and as a result of which, you will see the error code in question. So try using one of the free server status detectors to see if the server is down, and in case the server is down or under maintenance, just wait for the engineers to fix the problem. And then next, what you can do is to just simply restart your device. So more often than not, these issues are a result of any kind of glitch. Restarting your device should always be one of your first steps when dealing with such issues. And by doing this, it will not only reload the game, but the system will also flash out the error, so you should not only restart your computer but also the network devices, such as your router. And then next, what you can do is to also check your internet. So if there is no issue with the game server, then you should ensure that the Apex Legends has a consistent network connection, because a shaky connection will prohibit you from connecting to a server and result in the problem mentioned above. And you can use the internet speed tester to determine the internet bandwidth is not the source of the error. So, in case the internet is slow, you can contact your ISP and ask them to resolve the issue. And then next, what you can do is to update the network driver. So, an updated network driver will ensure that you don't face any kind of network issue due to incompatibility. So, network drivers are typically updated concurrently with Windows, and if isn't updated, you may choose to free software or update your network driver manually. So choose the one that is right for you from the following methods right here. So first, you can try free driver update software, and you can also try to navigate to the manufacturer's website and download the driver. Then you can also install driver and optional update. And then lastly, what you can do is to try and update network driver from the device manager. And after updating the driver, just check if the issue persists. Then lastly, what you can do is to try wired connection. So it is pretty obvious that wireless network, aka Wi-Fi, is not very reliable for gaming. So anything wireless, be it a mouse or keyboard, it is actually not recommended, because it doesn't matter how good your device is, it can't have perfect latency. So just try an Ethernet connection and see if it helps. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.